Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can switch or change your eBay business account to personal. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your eBay accounts. Okay, I have had this problem. It happened to me. Okay, so it happened to me when I created an account. I didn't know that I set my account as a business account, and when I started connecting my Pioneer account into my eBay, like Pioneer asks me for business information, and I don't have a business. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how like I got the idea to create this video. So as you can see, guys, if you click here on my eBay here in the top right, if you click on summary, just click on summary. Okay, and then you want to click on account. Okay, after that you want to click here where it says personal information. Okay, just click on personal information, just sign in. Okay, I'm going to sign in into my account. Okay, it's going to take you guys to this page. As you can see, now currently this account is individual. Like if you see here business account, okay, and next to it you can see here an edit button. You want to click it and like change it from like business to personal if you are able to do that. Like I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 ways on how you can change it. So if this method doesn't really work for you, which I assume it's not going to work for a lot of people, like especially if they have a lot of sales on their eBay store, like you will not be able to change from in like business to individual. Now for in this case, like if you have like a very successful eBay store, you just need to contact eBay. Just search here on Google for contact eBay, and they are the only they are the only they are going to help you. Like they are the only thing that will help you is to contact eBay. Now I'm going to check this. Okay, so that's exactly what I did. Okay, so you will have to scroll down, click on contact us. Like they will ask you guys why you want to what you need help with today. Click on selling, and then you want to give them a reason here, like creating a listing or shipping, just any reason here, just to make sure that you can contact them. Okay, now here you just need to scroll down again, and then you want to like give them a reason. For example, like pricing, creating a listing. You can also chat with an automated assistant, so that you can they will redirect you with someone to talk to directly. As you can see, I can help you with any issues you have. How can I help you? You just need to tell them, hi, I would like to talk to someone, and then they will redirect you to talk to a real human that will help you. Now if this doesn't work, then what you guys need to do in this case is to delete your account. Okay, to just remove this account. I know this is a really hard thing to do, but there is no solution. Okay, so that's the only solution, is to delete the account and open a personal account, and then link it with your you can also import all the products from your eBay to the new account easily. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this, guys. Yeah, hopefully this video guys helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Should just go to the comments below and tell me your questions. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.